Introducing Art Molds EZPOXI, the water-clear epoxy resin. With a 1:1 mix ratio, low odor, non-toxic, no VOCs, self-leveling, UV stable, 45-minute pot life, 24-hour cure time. EZPOXI is newly formulated for decorative and protective epoxy coatings for artwork and many other creative applications limited only to your imagination. Use it to coat wood tabletops, bar tops, wooden veneers, countertops, artwork, and photo frames. In addition, you can coat badges, insulate electronic parts, moisture-proof potting, and create numerous interesting craftwork. Use EZPOXI for jewelry making, coasters, pendants, barrettes, and other decorative items using silicone molds of all shapes. EZPOXI can encapsulate items for display too. In addition, you can obtain colorful results by mixing EZPOXI with your favorite liquid pigment colors or art molds metal powders to create valuable artistic pieces for yourself or to create highly saleable products. You can also make minor repairs with EZPOXI. For example, a cracked vase, a broken coffee mug, or a damaged picture frame can all be repaired with EZPOXI. First, apply the resin to the damaged areas and reconnect the parts together. Then, allow the epoxy to cure, and the item will be fully bonded back together. Water-clear EZPOXI is ready to use right out of the bottle after mixing the epoxy and hardener. Its transparent characteristics are best used for coating and encapsulating. However, EZPOXI can be color-tinted for some beautiful results. Look for color tints specifically formulated for epoxy resins. Alcohol-based colors are the most reliable, but you must not add more from 2 to 6% by weight. Any more, and your resin may not cure. Adding metal powders, colored micas, and glitter provide marvelous looks as well. You can rely on EZPOXI for a durable, safe to clean, and long-lasting epoxy resin. Check it out today.